What happens if you completely cut sugar out of your life for 2 weeks? The first thing you'll notice is that your face will become less round and puffy, taking on a slimmer and more defined shape. This will also happen in the abdominal area. The reason why you lose fat in this area is simple. The body uses sugar and fat as energy sources. When sugar is removed from your diet, the body starts burning fat, beginning with the liver. Another significant change happens in 4 parts of the body: eyes, brain, arteries, and kidneys. By cutting sugar, you'll notice your vision becoming less blurry and sharper because the eyes are sensitive to sugar. It's no coincidence that diabetes can lead to diabetic retinopathy, a condition affecting the blood vessels of the retina. Additionally, the kidneys will benefit as well, since excess sugar can cause inflammation, damaging blood vessels and making it harder to filter substances. This can lead to sugar and protein in the urine, a condition known as diabetic nephropathy. As for the arteries, high levels of sugar in the blood can damage them and contribute to vascular diseases. However, when you cut sugar, the body begins to repair artery damage. Cholesterol levels also improve because sugar negatively impacts them. Regarding the brain, reducing sugar intake helps nerve cells recover, which enhances cognitive function, mood, memory, and concentration. A curious fact about diabetes: it's a condition characterized by excess sugar in the blood. But the most common approach to combat it is not always reducing sugar intake, but instead focusing on lifestyle and genetics. However, cutting sugar is, of course, a crucial strategy for fighting the disease. Another benefit of cutting sugar is that you'll urinate less during the night. This happens because sugar causes the body to retain more water, and when you remove it from your diet, this effect diminishes, improving sleep quality. You'll also notice more energy during the day, as your body will start using fat as its main energy source. It's providing greater vitality and stability throughout the day. Moreover, by cutting sugar, you'll feel less tempted to snack between meals, as your body will be using its own fat as fuel, reducing hunger.
Why?
If you're wondering how to eliminate sugar cravings, the answer is simple: stop consuming it. After a few weeks without sugar, other benefits become evident, such as improved skin quality, which will become less inflamed and clearer, especially around the face. This happens due to reduced inflammation in the body. Improved insulin resistance is also noticeable since excess sugar can cause the body to resist insulin, impairing blood glucose control and leading to diabetes. When you cut sugar, your metabolism becomes more efficient, and you start losing both water weight and fat. Initially, weight loss is rapid due to the elimination of retained water, as stored sugar in the body holds onto fluids.